look at that. Bam. What are we doing today? Today we're going to get a fire from a magnifying glass. It's going to be a quick video because it doesn't really take much to do it. You need the right conditions. Sunlight, not a lot of wind, and a good tinder bundle. I got some nice birch bark that I already prepared and got set here, so it should be relatively easy to get a fire. Now, what's funny about a magnifying glass? How many people really bring these things with them when they go hiking or they go camping? Not many people. However, you can get smaller versions, very, very cheap, have it in your pocket, have it in your backpack, and be able to get yourself out of a situation potentially very quickly if it's sunny. You need a fire, you don't have time or the knowledge to make a bow drill kit or a fire plow or whatnot. So the good old magnifying glass, it's very underrated and it's barely ever used. What do you say, Didi? Should we try this out? Yeah, let's try this out. Need to get myself a nice small little guy. Oh, look at that smoke immediately. Wow, that's going up quick. Oh, the dark yet. Gotta hold it still. I love the birds. Spring's coming. Come on, baby. There we go. Look at that. Shazam. That was very, very, very easy. And that's why I believe that the magnifying glass is extremely underrated. It doesn't really take much to be able to light it up and get yourself a nice little fire. This goes up fast. Imagine how much time and energy you would save if you had a magnifying glass with you and you didn't have to create fire by friction, make a bow drill kit, a fire plow. This takes no calories. I'm just chilling. All you gotta do is focus. Come on. Come on, wind. Knock it off. The birch bark worked way faster. This is a tinder bundle with dried leaves, dried pine needles, and some inner bark from a dried branch. I don't know what type of wood it is. See, this is taking a little longer, but I'm not burning any calories. I'm not getting as frustrated as I would with other forms of making fire. Yeah, bam. If you got a big beard, you just gotta step back a little bit so you don't burn your face off. But tried a second time and I got fire with the good old magnifying glass. I love you. I'm gonna bring you every time I go to the wilderness. So underrated. Magnifying glass, folks. It's not just for looking at bugs. Didi, do you want them to subscribe? She wants you to subscribe. Didi, tell them. Tell them to subscribe. No, see, she can't speak human. But if she could, she would tell you to please like and subscribe to Voz Survival. Thank you very much for watching.